The very next important idea under admission of partner is the calculation of new profit ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Why is it necessary? Already there are two partners, say A and B. C is admitted. The profit what is earned by A and B cannot be the same after admitting the new partner C. It will differ because the profit also should be shared by the third partner also. So, instead of dividing the profit by the two partners, now after admitting the third partner, it should be divided by three partners. So, automatically the ratio will differ. Therefore, from the old profit ratio, we should find the new profit ratio. When we find the new profit ratio, once already the profit enjoyed by the old partners will be reduced definitely when a new partner is admitted into the business. Already the entire profit is shared by the two partners only. Say, if the third partner is admitted, a portion of the profit will go to the third partner also. So, automatically the share of profit will reduce. So, the reduction in the profit of old partners is called the sacrifice of the old partners to the new partner. ஏற்கனவே என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்த ப்ராஃபிட் புதுசாக ஒருத்தவனை சேர்க்கும் பொழுதும் டெஃபினட்டாக குறைய தான் செய்யும். ஏன்னா அவனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஷேர் கொடுக்கும் இல்லையா? அப்போ இன் தட் கேஸ் வாட் ஷுட் பி த நியூ ரேஷியோ and how much is sacrificed by the old partners to the new partners, we are going to see now. For this, we start from the problem number 8. Praveena, Danya are partners sharing profits in the ratio 7:3. They admit Malini into the firm. The new ratio among Praveena, Danya and Malini is 5:2:3. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. Old profit ratio is equal to, the two partners are Praveena, Danya, Danya, and the new partner is Malini. And the Praveena and Danya in the ratio 7:3. Malini's question does not arise now. What about that old profit share? From the ratio, how to find the share? Share in the sense we should write in the form of a fraction. 7:3, total 10. Therefore, Praveena's share 7/10, Danya's share 3/10. Okay. Now, what is the new profit sharing ratio after admitting Malini? The new profit ratio. New profit ratio is equal to 5:2:3. Therefore, new profit share is equal to 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 5/10, 2/10 and 3/10. This is the new partner's share 3/10. What is the question actually? sacrificing ratio. Therefore, sacrificing ratio is equal to, what do you mean by the sacrifice here? It is the share of profit given by the old partner to the new partner. How to find how much is given by the old to the new? Here already say, for example, 7 times Pravina earns. Now only the new one is 5. Therefore, the difference 2 is given to Malini. So, the sacrifice is 2. How to find old minus new? Sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new. So, in that case, what is Pravina's? Pravina's 7 by 10 minus 5 by 10 is 2. What about Danya? Old one, 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10. There is no sacrifice for Malini because he is the receiver. Only these two, Pravina and Danya, are the losers. Malini is the receiver. Only these two are sacrificing. So for these two we find the denominator is the same. Therefore 7 minus 5 to 2 by 10. 3 by 10, 2 by 10, denominator is the same. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 by 10, which is equal to 2 is to 1. This is the sacrificing ratio. 2 is to 1 is the sacrificing ratio. One thing you must be very careful. When you minus one fraction from the other, you should check whether the denominator is equal or not. Denominators must be equal. If the denominators are not equal, you should make that into equal denominator. Then you minus. Here 10, here 20. You cannot minus 7 minus 5 2. Here 20, here 20. 10, 10. The denominators must be the same. You understand what I say? Unless or otherwise the denominators are equal, we cannot either add or subtract. Okay? You must be very careful in it. Okay, good. Then we shall pass on to the 9th one. 9th one. Anand, Suman are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admit Saran for 1 by 5 share, which he acquires entirely from Anand. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. So, we can do now old profit ratio. The same type of steps, old profit ratio. Who are the 3 partners including the new one? Anand, Suman, and the third one is Saran. Suman, Saran. These are the 3 partners. Old profit ratio, that is the profit ratio of old partners is 3:2. So, what is old profit share? Old profit share 3:2. Therefore, total 5. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. How much is given to the new partner? To the new partner, they admit Saran for 1 by 5 share, which he acquires entirely from Anand. Anand is sacrificing 1 by 5 share. he is not getting anything from Suman. Saran does not get anything from Suman, but this Saran is getting entirely from Anand. So, what is sacrificing? Share. Sacrificing share of Anand is 1 by 5 and Suman is 0. Anand is 1 by 5 and Suman is 0. Therefore, sacrificing ratio, because 1 by 5 is given to Saran by Anand, so Anand is only sacrificing. Sacrificing means giving. Only Anand is giving to Saran. Suman does not give anything. Okay? So, sacrificing ratio is equal to 1 by 5 is to 0. Then if you multiply each by 5, 5 cancel 0 into 5, 0. Therefore 1 is to 0. This is the sacrificing ratio. Now, what is the new ratio? New profit ratio is equal to, after sacrificing 1 by 5, Anand is having how much? From this 3 by 5, he is sacrificing, he is giving 1 by 5. Therefore, the remaining is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Suman is giving nothing. 2 by 5. New partner Saran is getting 1 by 5. This 1 by 5 is got from Anand. Therefore, this is equal to, then since the denominator is equal, we can minus 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 5. This is 2 by 5. This is 1 by 5. This is equal to, since the denominators are equal, we can cancel the denominator and write the ratio 2 is to 1. This is the new profit ratio. Once again, I repeat the same. In the first problem, you are supposed to find the sacrificing ratio. How to find the sacrificing ratio? From the old ratio, if they minus new, we will get the sacrificing ratio. What does it mean? Formerly, a partner is receiving 100 rupees. Now he is receiving only 80 rupees. How much he is sacrificed? 20. How we got 100 minus 80 equal to 20. That is the old amount minus new amount will give the sacrifice. That is why old minus new will give the sacrificing share. That is, old profit ratio is equal to 7 is to 3. It is given in the problem. So you write the ratio in the form of share. That is 7 plus 3, 10. 7 by 10, 3 by 10 we are writing. And the new profit ratio is 5 is to 2 is to, since the new partner is admitted, the new ratio is given for the third partner Malini also. 5 is to 2 is to 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10, 5 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10. This is the new ratio. We want to find sacrificing ratio. That is, how much is given by the old partners to the new partner? 3 times, that is 3 by 10 is given. How he got? That is, the new profit share is 5, Dhanya is 2, and therefore this 7 has been reduced to 5, and the difference is the sacrifice, the share. 7 by 10 minus 5 by 10 will give you 2 by 10. This is the sacrifice made by Pradila. And regarding Dhanya, Danya already has the profit 3 by 10. Now according to the new ratio, he can get only 2 by 10. How much he is given by her to Malini, or how much he is sacrificed by Danya to Malini? 3 by 10 minus 2 by 10, that is 1 by 10. Since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator alone for the ratio 2:1. Here also, when we subtract, since the denominators are equal, we can subtract. If they are different, we cannot subtract, bear it in mind. Okay, this is question number 8. Then, what about 9? Regarding the problem number 9, the old profit ratio is given 3:2. That is, Anand, Suman are the old partners, Saran is admitted. When Saran is admitted, these partners have promised him that 1 by 5 share will be given, 1 by 5 share of profit will be given to Saran, and that 1 by 5 will be given entirely by Anand. Anand மட்டுமே கொடுக்கிறதா promise பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So, this Anand share only will be reduced, not the Suman's profit. So, this is 3 by 5, and from this 3 by 5, how much is given by Anand to Saran? 1 by 5, and therefore this 1 by 5 is to Suman does not give anything, 0, therefore 1:0. That is, if you multiply both by 5, 5 cancel 1, 0 into 5, 0, 1:0 is the sacrificing ratio. How to find the new profit ratio? New profit ratio can be found out by taking old ratio minus sacrificing share. Old minus sacrifice. This you should write to find the old. That is old minus sacrifice. Old minus sacrifice. Only from the old share, if you minus sacrificing share, you will get this new profit share. Old one 3 by 5, sacrificing share 1 by 5, therefore 2 by 5. Regarding Suman, he does not give anything to Saran, therefore we can write the 2 by 5 as it is. How much is received by Saran? 1 by 5 is received by Saran from Anand. This is his share, Saran's share. So we are writing these 3. Here only we need to simplify. Both the denominators are equal. Therefore 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Since all the 3 denominators are the same, we can write the numerator alone 2:1. This is the sacrificing ratio and new profit ratio.